Welcome to Hollis and Nancy's Homestead. My name is Nancy, and our vision is to inspire healthier families. I love fried turkeys, and I don't know of anybody that doesn't love it. It's so crispy on the outside, and it's moist and tender on the inside, including the breast. Now, the only challenge that I have, the traditional method of frying turkey, is that it is a fire hazard. Also, it uses up a lot of oil, which is not good for me. So I have a solution that I found that I can do. And now for me, what I've done is buy a 3-in-1 Char-Broil, which uses infrared technology to air fry the turkey. Oh, it is so good. And I love working with it. I bought it over a year ago, and it's so fun. I love gadgets. To us, this tastes better than the traditional fried turkey. It comes out crispy on the outside as normal, moist on the inside, including the breast. It's got a touch of smoke flavor with it. Now, the list of ingredients and my notes, so how you can make your own turkey, will be close to the end of this video. Let's get started with the recipe. If you never use a Char-Broil, you need to oil the inside of it and season it. We also put oil on the wire basket to make it easier. You put foil for easy cleanup. You could use your own favorite rub, or you could use mine. 1 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of peanut oil, and 1 clove of garlic. And this is my temporary herb patch. I like to get a sprig of thyme, parsley, sage, rosemary, basil. Wash it real good, pat it dry, put it in the mixer, and mix well. Now you need to prepare the turkey. Take out any pouches, plastic, cut the tail, excess skin, pat it dry, put the spice inside the skin, put peanut oil on the outside of the turkey, put it on the rack, nicely sitting down. Now calculate cooking time. Estimated is 10 to 12 minutes per pound of turkey. Now the safety go is 165 for the turkey to be fully cooked. Set up the smoker. Turn on the smoker. Lower in the basket. Check back in about 15 minutes. That looks so pretty. Everything looks good inside. Check the smoker to make sure it's working properly. And turn it to medium. This is about 30 minutes before it's done. Okay, it's nicely golden delicious. Check to see if you need more wood chips. I added some. Now if you want it darker, close the lid back on top. It's done. It smells so good. So good. Lift the turkey. Look how beautiful it turned out. People are not going to believe that it's not fried. That's how beautiful it looks. It's so moist. Turn everything off. Now put it to the side. All the juices you can use it to make gravy. Comes out easily. It's best eaten as soon as possible. We love to eat it just when it gets done. So tender. Look how wet the inside of the thigh is. It's like soaked. I wish you could smell the house. It's so aromatic. It smells so good. Now usually I like to cut the turkey breast in one, but I want to show you for demonstration how tender it is on the inside. Let me get a small piece for you guys. Look how wet that looks. Let me see if it comes in focus. Yeah. Now the fried turkey is done. Okay, it's so beautiful. Now you and your family can have turkey anytime, not just the holidays. We're planning to eat it at least 1 to 3 times a month because we have abundance of wild turkey, and we're also planning to grow our own turkey. As you know, the goal of our homestead is to eat 90% of the food we produce here. We are planning to do a lot of cooking around here, so we'll be making a lot of videos on cooking and canning and preserving, all sorts of stuff. So come and join us on our journey to eat 90% of our own foods, which must be delicious. Lists of the products we used in the videos will be in the links below. Also, here's a list of the ingredients we used in our fried turkey, and also some notes on how you too can make fried smoked turkey delicious for your family. Thank you for watching our videos. We love making it. If you like our videos, please share our videos, like it, and subscribe. By His hand we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen. Have a blessed day. Right, Petey? Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.